Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel CrypTrue Boi. I am CrypTrue Boi, hope you are well. So today I am going to share with you another crypto project. The name of this project is Marspad. So why should we invest in this project and why should review this project? Okay, so this is really great well for us, so you should check it guys. So here you can see the interface. Marspad is the best ideal launch pad for the Binance smart chain. This, hope you understand. Marspad will empower cryptocurrency project with the ability and to distribute token and raise liquidity. So here you can see the join pools. If you want to join their pool, so simply click here join pools, and you have a project, a crypto project, so you want to apply ID, so simply click apply ID, and here you guys will also get their social links like Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and YouTube also. So by the way, if you want to invest this project, so please do your own research. It's not financial advice. And here you can see their Marspad is the link between project owners and early stage investors. Marspad has founded a solution to incentive and reward all token holders in a way that is inclusive and with a low barrier to entry. The fundamental flaws of exciting Launchpad is that acquiring enough tokens to participate in the ecosystem and prohibitive, and even if you do hold the tokens, you are not guaranteed an allocation is bought. This is really cool. They are based on a first come first serve basis, where automated bots can fill the whitelist sports in the matter of seconds. Oh shit, this is really great, man. Marspad is creating fair decentralized launches, so this is really cool, as I think not financial advice guys. Here you can see a fair and secure access to everyone. Here fair distribution depending on how long a participant is taking, and MRP tokens. Then here you can see their sound tokenomics, incubation and age for projects, safe and quality project, guaranteed allocations, fully decentralized. This is fully decentralized. Okay, so we can check their Marspad BSC link, and then here you can see the total supply 500 million, and their holder just one address, transfer one address. This is totally new project guys. Hope you understand and what you think about this project, so please comment in my video section. And here you can see the tokenomics, private sale, public sale, marketing and advisor, partnership, liquidity platform. Their total supply is 500 million, 10% for private sale, 10% for public sale, marketing and advisor, 8% for partnership, 17% liquidity, 10% platform development. If you want to see details, so simply click see details. So most of the important part in this video and in this projects Marspad roadmap. Here you can see their beginning. They are already complete their white paper, web design, project planning and finishing, then finishing and launching, then development, expansion. There are a lot of upcoming events here you can see in this 2021 guys. This is really cool. And here you can see their Marspad features. Token factory issues new token based on Binance smart chain, supported on Marspad audit request expert token audit to ensure your token's maximum potential, stacking as a service. Use Marspad white label product to add stacking for your token to a locked deal. Enable scheduling token transaction for a later date and time. Here you can see their Marspad features. Okay, so if you want to invest this project, so you can see their Marspad private sale. Marspad will start private sale in 5 days, 16 hours, 52 minutes. Okay, Marspad tier system. This is really if you want to join their pool, so you can check their plans. Here you can see their basic, then standard, optimum, premium. Okay, it is really great. If you want to join their pool, so simply click join pool, and if you can join participate their IDOs. So here you can see their partners: Open, Ledger, ICO rating, ICO page, crypto market, then crypto crowd sale. So here you can see their white paper, so you can check their white paper from this link. So just a minute please. I think if you want to invest this project, so please you should check their white paper because you will get more information their white paper. So here you can see the premium IDO platform for Binance Smart Chain Network. Marspad empowers Launchpad project to raise liquidity in a fair and decentralized manner. So here you can see their email and website link, then disclaimer, then more information about this project in their white paper. So by the way, here you can get their social media's link. Then CoinGecko, it's not listed yet, and CoinMarketCap not listed yet. Soon they will list it on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap when they are in their private sale. And here you can see their Marspad price chart. It's not start yet also. So hope you guys know now how much potential this project. Okay, this is totally a new project, so please you should do your own research because it's your money. So at the last moment, what you think about this project, so please comment in my video section. And if you need more information about this project, so please check in my video description. So I will see you soon guys in my next video. Goodbye and thanks for watching my video.